A full memory reset takes your TI-84 Evo's built-in apps with it. 6 are gone from this grid, including the polynomial root finder and Python. Reinstalling the operating system brings them all back, and it takes about 2 minutes. All you need is your USB cable and a computer. Plug your calculator into your computer with its USB cable, and make sure it's turned on. Now, in your browser, go to connectevo.ti.com. There's a link in the description below. Click Connect to Calculator, pick the TI-84 Evo, and hit Connect. Choose Install OS. Despite the name, this brings back the built-in apps too, and that's what puts your icons back. Click Install, then Continue. Heads up, this clears anything still saved in RAM. Your calculator switches to installing OS and apps. Give it a couple of minutes. It restarts on its own. When the browser says your calculator is up to date, you're done. You can close the tab now. The calculator restarts by itself and lands on the grid, and all 6 apps are back. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.